Alright guys, so it came in. JHM all day, baby. Damn, you see that? Got the new Eternals for the high pressure fuel pump. So here's the high pressure fuel pump, the stock one. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the Eternals. So I do work right now at 11, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take out the high pressure fuel pump and just get started on it. Should be quick and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out. I've done it plenty of times, taking out my cam follower. So the best thing to do to remove the high pressure fuel pump is you gotta, oh wow, there you go. And I got it out. Yeah, it wasn't too hard, but what'd you think about that? Alright guys, so I just got off work, got the high pressure fuel pump out. So as you can see, my old one is pretty messed up. Like, that's not supposed to look like that. Alright. Just kind of like want to hold it down. I don't got a vise, table vise, so I'm using C-clamp. So it's a size 18. Go ahead and just, there you go. Ooh, we got lucky. Alright. Push it down, and this comes out. And that right there. All that right there. The Eternals we're switching. So, you know, we got some brake cleaner. I guess that's all you want to use to clean off these parts, because something about the seal. Spray it in. Alright, first step is this part where the nipple is. I call it the nipple. You're gonna put a little oil. Go ahead and lube it all around. There you go. And so you want to put it in through there to this side. There you go. So I guess there's like a rubber seal in there. You get your spring. You go ahead and put it on. Keep in mind that I'm trying to be as clean as I can. I mean, I got a different bandana over here to put it on. Alright, now this. Once you put the spring on, you want to make sure this is all the way back in. And you put that in, it should clip right in. There you go. So this part, once you have it in, make sure it's nice and secure all the way in. Is where this comes in. Just hammer it. Alright, I'm scared, guys. Alright, so now if you guys are doing this by yourself, get 2 pieces of black. We'll find out if it works. I'll put some oil on top of that. There you go. And bigger inside. There you go. Just like that. There you go. It's in just perfect. Go ahead and put this in there. Just gonna hand tighten it. Right on the line, 40 foot-pounds. Go ahead and lock it. Official, guys. Your high pressure fuel pump. More horsepower. Toss it in. 1, 2. There you go. Oh, there you go. Perfect. You gotta do some magic here and there. Today's the day. Car's getting tuned. We're going to a truckie right now. See if that works. So let's head over there. Alright. Road trip. Not really. Not really. We made it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my keys and let them do the magic. Got good news and bad news. So alright, so good news is we're getting the car tuned. Bad news is I'm spending $220 on it. So smoke your fucking Honda, buddy.
Is he gonna tune it right now or not yet?
Yeah, he's gonna tune it. He's gonna tune it right now.
Smoke up right here, fool.
He's gonna add NOS. I asked him for it.
Yeah, the energy drink?
Dude, your Honda's gonna blow up.
I don't give a fuck. It's gonna have NOS for a good minute.
Oh, chill!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Damn.
Audi, chill. Alright guys, so the tune is more like a plug-in install type of thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait until it's done. It's probably gonna be like 30 minutes. Do it for the vlog. Hold on. See if you disconnected it. Go, fuck it. Do it. Ah, I was just. Ah, no, that was just. Damn. Oh, I caught it. I don't know. There you go. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. There you go. Probably just the first one, huh? Alright guys, I'm in my car. And you guys wanna hear it or what? I don't think that's normal. I don't know what's going on. Shout out to my CB fans. Those are sick wheels. Car's been acting a little funky. Like, it's funky. So I pulled off to the side of the road. I went ahead and programmed the car to 91 octane again and reset it, and then I drove it again and we were golden. Today's the next day, so I didn't know how to close this video. I don't know what you guys want to see, but if anything, for sure the next video I'll go ahead and do some flybys, show you guys a walk around or something about the car. But that's gonna end it for today's vlog. I mean, showing you guys that it's a little upgrade. If you guys wanna just keep watching what we do, just hit that subscribe button, you know? Sorry, it's kinda lame, but we got some more good content coming real soon. We got some good ideas of what you guys really wanna see. So, keep up the movement, guys, and stay in touch.